Yeah. The six cheese blend is made from Sargento that I picked up from the grocery store with provolone. Now, well, I don't know what the other cheese blends are in it, and or maybe God no, that's throwing food as well. Or maybe it's just the six blends of different provolone. I don't know. I picked it look good. I had picked up the 4 cheese blend at first, but I saw they had the six, so they would buy one get one, so I got the six. Why not more flavor? And my potato ain't as hot as it was when I first got it out the microwave because I had to walk out the building from the car. And then sit here and set up. So, it's hot. It's doing what it need to do. Oh, I had washed my potato, oiled it down with some oil and salt it. Maybe we can eat the skin. I was eating some skin last night. Mm-hmm. Now, of course, I would want it to be more cheesy, but since I had to prep it, I didn't stir no cheese up in it when I mixed. I was tired after I got finished. Well, I was already tired before I started it yesterday when I got home after work. So I made it do what it do. But normally I would break up my potato and mix with butter and cheese and salt and pepper. So it can be cheese within and cheese on top. But baby, I didn't have time for it. Let's see what this salad I want to talk about. Where's my tomato? That was chicken is.